full disposals then. What do we mean by a full disposal? Well, it means when you did have control, you sell some of it, and you no longer have control. That's a full disposal. So it's a full disposal of a subsidiary, because the subsidiary you have control of, and it's in your accounts, in your group accounts. But a full disposal means when you lose control. So it doesn't have to go to zero. Don't get put off by the word full. It just means you've lost full control. So it goes from 80% to 40%, 80% to 0%, 80% to 10%, whatever, as long as you lose control. Now, because you've lost control, it's no longer a subsidiary. So you need to take out all of the subsidiaries' figures. So on the SFP, that's what you'd have to do, take out the subsidiaries' figures, wouldn't it? In the income statement, you take out the subsidiaries' figures since the date of disposal. Okay. Now, the only other thing that you have to worry about is because you've made a full disposal, you've made a profit on disposal. This is how you calculate that profit on disposal. You make proceeds of 100, and remember, we are selling something. So when we sold to go from a subsidiary to, let's say, an associate, we receive proceeds. So let's say we receive proceeds of 100. We then take out S's figures. So take out all of their net assets. The other thing that would be in there for S would be S's goodwill. Take that out because it's no longer a subsidiary. What else do we have that in a subsidiary as well as goodwill? We have NCI. Take that out. Now remember, NCI is money we owe to other people. So taking that out is actually a positive towards us. So you take out the net assets, take out the goodwill, then naturally minuses. Take out the NCI, that's a positive. And then you might be left with nothing, but here we are left with an associate. So you just put in, like, what am I left with? The fair value of the remainder. The examiner will tell you that, in this case 40. You say, right, that's the profit that I've made on disposal then, and that goes to the income statement and retained earnings.